Outside of the obvious, can't you tell? I am just an island girl who loves to decorate. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hi, I'm Charlene. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm so happy that you decided to join. And we create videos here that deals with decor, DIY, and of course lifestyle. This video, I'm going to be showing you how we cook. I don't know, we love spice, we love food and spicy, we like everything flavorful. And listen, your girl went right down. We can't have no Easter celebration doing without what again? Fish. As a lot of people have given up red meat for Lent. So over on this side here, I have created some scrumptious, in my estimation, offerings that don't include red meat and all of the little trappings that go with that, right? So here I have the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the festival. So I have counter flour, I have good butter over on that side, that's what I call it, baking powder, of course some ice cold water, sugar, salt, and I don't make it without a little soy. Alright, and then now here are the ingredients in here. So I'm going to be mixing this up now. So it's 1.5 pounds of flour, a 1/4 ounce of butter, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm thinking maybe about 3 tablespoons of ice cold water here. How much salt this? This looks too much, but I'll do it and taste. So I mix up everything and I put about 3 tablespoons of lasoy in there. So I just use a whisk. So today we're featuring Decor. Yeah, like an island Jamaican spice is something there. If you're interested in this, then continue watching. I do have a round dining table that is a 60 diameter glass round table. A round table of that size would be ideal for this space, considering that I also had to put in a food table because part of the collaboration is that we have a spread with food. Okay, so I had to ensure that we could fit all of this in here. I told you that I'm gonna be recreating the space every chance and every time an idea comes into my head. I'm gonna be using it to sort out this little space. And I think God give me that little space here now. A little bit, and sometimes it's a little bit challenging, but I'm gonna make it work. So I opted to use my trestle table. I have a trestle table here, and this is also another trestle table. It's a smaller version, and we just decided to use them like this. But this ladder has been with me for donkey's years. When I started out my business, I used to use this ladder to hang drapery. That's where this is coming from, okay? It actually belonged to my in-laws, and I used to just go and borrow it and they give it to me. And when both of them died, I just said, this ladder, come, we're a friend. Now you notice I have just used like different shades of green because I was trying to just keep it very casual, bring the outdoor in, which is what I've actually done in here, right? Just flank the space with greenery, and just carry the color scheme right through. Right over here, we have the trusted sprat. If you know, you know. And then when you're fat, you know, them the marvel like the first time ones that we normally would get. Can't do escovitch fish, you know, without a little pickle, which is onion, scotch bonnet pepper, you know, a little pimento in there. And then of course we have a bun and cheese, which is at the hallmark. It is at the pinnacle of our Easter celebration. So the table now, so the tablescape, the inspiration for this space, right, with Easter, and we don't traditionally decorate for Easter. We don't traditionally decorate for Easter in Jamaica. But because of the collaboration, I decided I wasn't going to go with any one particular color. I wanted to have a space that would be very relaxed because the food is relaxing. And then up here I decided that I'm just going to be throwing in some red stripe. We have some fabulous ones now, you know, we'll call light, red stripe light. National hard-dough bread. Let me tell you something. When we come home and open the bread, we have to just eat 2 slices at a time. But guess what, we also have a washing on. And if you know what that is, for the persons who don't know, let me educate you. It is lemonade. So that is it for the food, and all of this food here was created by Charlene's Cuisine. The only color in here apart right now are just me and the flag. Are the only 2 bright colors in here, but that's fine too because there's also a space for colors like this, which are really calm and green, and it just make you feel like you just want to relax. Now I decided to bring plants from outside too to hang, and just to give the space a little outdoorsy, indoorsy kind of feel. And of course anchor all of that now with my grass carpet. So the design aesthetic here is really a rustic elegance. I hope that you're getting all of this. It's rustic elegance. So I've used rustic pieces because I wanted to keep it casual, like I say, because it's our island. I wanted an island vibe, and this is it. As I sign out from my studio here in my home, remember that this is an open collaboration with the island designers and whoever else decides to come on and join us for this Easter celebration and decoration. Tell me in the comment section, for the persons who have collaborated, what islands are you from, And if you are not a Caribbean person and you have collaborated with us, just drop me a comment and let me know just what are the different things you do to celebrate Easter, you know. But until I see you next week, walk good. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to talking to you in the comment section. Take care and